what is on-site SEO? Okay, so what is it exactly? So on-site SEO is the process of adding content, images, and other form of media to each and every page of your website to make it better understood by the search engines. We often call this making your site or your page search engine friendly, right? We don't want our pages to be, we want it to look good. Yeah, we want it to have great content, but we also want to make sure that it's been designed in a way that gives it the best opportunity, the best potential to getting ranked in Google so that your best clients can find you. The goal is to make your entire site as search engine friendly as possible in order to give the site as a whole the best shot at getting ranked for all the different phrases that you want to get ranked for. So on-site optimization is something that can and should be done on every single page of your website. Now, where you start is, typically on your most important stuff. Start on your home page. If you have 4 or 5 services that you offer, start with those. If you have 4 or 5 locations, maybe make sure those are early on. If you sell a bunch of products, maybe your best-selling product, you work on that. Or if you have a product that maybe nets you a lot of revenue, but you're not selling a lot of them, maybe work on that. So you want to kind of work on every single page over time to make it give it the best potential for ranking. Now, what is on-site? What is in it? Well, it's been said there's over 200 ranking factors that go into who Google puts at number 1, 2, and 3. And I always say this, while that number has been around forever and it may be true, I'd venture a guess to say that each of these individual sort of factors have many, many sub-factors, making the actual number of ranking factors much, much greater, probably in the thousands of factors. In fact, Google says that they make about 3,000 changes to their algorithm a year. 3,000 a year. I mean, that's an enormous change. Some of them are little tweaks. Some of them are big issues, right? When the big ones come, we tend to get notified by different tools that are out there. I tend to hear about it in the SEO world because things have shifted or because Google actually announces saying, hey, here's the changes. So what we're going to do during this class is we're going to go ahead and look at the top on-site factors that we've got that can make the difference between getting to page 1 or not being found at all.